Good morning, dear students. Today we have to go for the assessment of pulse. Pulse is the palpable bounding of blood flow through an artery against a bony prominences. Now, site of pulse. Here we go for sites, location, and assessment of criteria. Temporal. Over temporal bone of head, above and lateral to eye. Assessment criteria used in children easily accessible. Carotid along medial edge of the sternocleidomastoid muscles in neck. Used in shock, cardiac arrest when other sites are not accessible. Then apical 4th to 5th intercostal space at left mid clavicular line can be used in all patients easily accessible. Brachial grow between the biceps and triceps muscle at antecubital fossa for assessment of circulation in lower arm. Radial inner aspect of wrist on the radial side easy to assess. Ulnar on the little finger side outer aspect of thumb to assess circulation to ulnar side of hand to perform Allen test. Femoral below the inguinal ligament midway between anterior superior iliac spine and symphysis pubis for the assessment of circulation to the lower limb, then popliteal lateral or medial to the popliteal fossa with knee slightly flexed for checking blood pressure for assessment of circulation to the particular lower limb, then posterior tibial on the medial surface of the angle behind of the medial mediosa for assessment of circulation to the foot, then dorsal pedalis along dorsum of the foot between the extensor tendon of the greater and first toe for assessment of circulation of foot. Purposes: to know the number of the heart rate per minute, to know the variation in rate, rhythm and volume, to know about the variation in patient health, to know peripheral circulation, to assess the response of the heart to the cardiac drug. Where the point should have to remember: first, both carotid pulse should never be pressed at the same time because it can cause reflex drop in blood pressure, rate or pulse. Then, in case of the victim of the shock and cardiac arrest when other pulse are not palpable, carotid pulse is assessed. In infant for cardiac arrest, brachial and femoral site are used for palpation. Then notify the physician of any alteration in the rate, rhythm and volume of the pulse. Then normal pulse is 1 year in newborn 100 to 170, 1 year 80 to 170, then 3 years 80 to 130, 6 years 70 to 116, 12 years 70 to 110, 14 years 60 to 110, 18 years and above 60 to 100. This is about the pulse rate according to the age. Okay, then we must know how to do pulse assessment. First, here also steps of procedure: pre-procedural step, explain procedure to the patient, make the patient lie down for 10 minutes. Then articles required: wristwatch with a second hand, pen, documentation sheet as given in the tray. Then intra-procedural step: wash and explain the procedure to the patient and make sure patient had not been involved in any activity if any. Then make him to take rest for 10 minutes before taking pulse. Pulse rate increase with activity, so tell patient to do minimum activity when we are going for the pulse. Then select the site of the pulse, then give comfortable position to the patient, locate the site and place 3 finger excluding thumb lightly over the pulse site. Thumb has its own pulse which can be mistaken for patient pulse. So count the pulse for 1 minute by keeping an eye over the second hand of the watch. Irregularities can be counted only if patient is taken for 1 minute. Assess the characteristics of pulse, rate, rhythm and volume. As normal patient pulse is regularly and the rate is 70 to 90 bpm. Pulse rate below 60 minimum or above 100 minimum and any other abnormal pattern should be reported to the physician. document and report, then wash hand. Then post procedural step, give comfortable position to the patient. Enter procedural step, position the patient comfortably with the hand across his or her chest. Observe and count for 1 minute without moving the patient arm and your hand. Count for the complete rise and fall of the chest as one. Note the characteristics of respiration rhythm, regularities, depth and ease of the respiration. Record the reading of the documentation sheet. Post procedural step, here we do hand wash, make the patient comfortable, report any abnormalities in the respiration to the physician, then do the documentation, document the finding on the treatment chart and mark the reading on graph chart. This is all about pulse assessment and respiration. We do tomorrow next blood pressure.